Hi, very well. Good morning. Myself, Manikandan, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science. My topic about measurement of TEWL is a transepidermal water loss. It is a key parameter of dermatology and cosmetic sciences. It evolves to healthy skin in low TEWL. Then transepidermal water loss, while damaged or dry skin in skin source high transepidermal water loss. It is a definition of the quantity of water vapor is lost per unit area as per skin unit time. Its purpose is evaluate high skin hydration, test moisturizer cream and other topical products and skin barrier damage. It is a instrument of transepidermal water loss. It contacts a contact wire housing sensor chip and then skin in water vapor and advanced sensor surfaces. It is a process. And then move to methods of measurement. It is a three methods in transepidermal water loss. First one, open chamber method. It is a detects water vapor near the skin surfaces, and then closed chamber method. It is a placed over the skin sealed chamber using, and then evaporimeter. It is common devices for transepidermal water loss measurement. And then a procedure as a normal using procedure in transepidermal water loss. It is a room temperature, highly prop, gentle in skin area, and then stabilization, and then reading, and then arrange it for accuracy. Factors affecting TEWL. It is an ambient humidity and temperature, skin size, skin condition, and recent applications for creams and products. And then move to another topic is skin color measurement. To measure, analyze skin color scientifically, it is used to cosmetics, dermatology, and research to track in charges, pigmentation, and product effect. It is referred to skin color depends on melanin, hemoglobin, and carotene. Hemoglobin refers to a red color skin color, and melanin is a brown and black color, and carotene is a yellow color. Instrumentation using a skin coloring agent is colorimeter, spectrophotometer. And then colorimeter is refers to lab. L denotes to lightness, A denotes to red, B denotes to yellow to blue. And then the visual representations of skin coloring agent. Skin types is very six type of skin in our human skin. Then first one very fair, second one fair, third one medium, fourth one olive, fifth one brown, sixth one black. It is a measurement of skin color in detecting the agent of like pH measurements. Like pH measurements, like a litmus paper. And then move to procedure of TEWL. It is a clear skin area and standard lightening skincare device placed on the skin, and then multiple readings average. Applications: skin whitening and brightening studies, pigmentation disorders like using melanin and melasma and tanning. Melasma tanning is a skin coloring in our human body. Actually, I should about to tanning. Tanning is a brown or tanning is denoted to brown and black color representation, and erythema is hemoglobin representation. It is a redness measurement. And then move to hair tensile strength. Hair tensile strength is a normal hair strength and damage. Usually, human body resolves a hair in 50 count of dropout in our head. It is force required to break hair fiber, including hair strength and the damage. And then instrument is tensile strength machine. Example, equipment is used in hair tensile. And then move to principle stretched until it breaks, and then force versus elongation is recorded, and parameters is breaking force, elongation, and a young modulus. And then procedure. procedure combining to compressive force, tensile force, and shear force. Compressive force represents to